Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls on Steam. Other words, it's also called family view. So let's click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of our screen and from here find the settings. Now there should be a tab called family right here and click on manage family view. Now we'll be able to set up our family view or parental controls, however you call it, and here we can change a few settings. So select what your protected account can access while in family view, and here you can pick only games I choose. That way you'll be able to pick which games are playable while you're in this family view mode, or you can select all games. That means you'll be able, your child or whoever you want to protect this account from will be able to play while being in this mode. They'll be able to get all games. There's also online content and features like a Steam store, library and community, and here you can select which of the modes are available while being in this mode. So now let's go for the let's go to the next step. Here you'll be able to see your recovery email, so enter the email you want to use for the recovery if you forget the PIN. Now let's move to the next step. Here you'll be able to pick a PIN you want to use for this account, and I'm gonna choose very simple, simply 4 times 1. Move to the next step, and right now you should get the secret code to the email visible right here. And now let's get this email. So I have a code, let's enter it. And now we should get the family mode enabled. We can see our friends list. To lock it, click on this icon in the top right corner of our screen. It's this red background with a white, like two people standing or whatever. Click on it. Please confirm you would like to return to family mode. So now we have it locked, and if you have any restrictions, they should be visible now. To unlock it, click on this icon again, enter the PIN, and now we have access to everything. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.